Welcome to our guide on creating tables to generate QR codes. We'll walk you through the process, starting with accessing the settings on the TAPn'GO platform and selecting the Tables and Reservations option. Once in the Tables and Reservations section, enter the number of tables you need. This step is crucial for organizing your merchant's layout and ensuring each table has a unique identifier to avoid confusion with orders. After entering the table numbers, click on Save Table Details to confirm. Next, navigate to your tables to view the saved details. Here, you can create a URL using a specific table code which is essential for generating the corresponding QR code. For example, you can use a table code like RSH85J to create a unique URL. This URL will direct customers to the menu for this specific table. When customers place orders, the correct table number will be displayed on your merchant dashboard or POS. The final step involves copying and pasting the generated URL into any QR code generator website. This will create a QR code that can be printed and placed on the table. By following these steps, you ensure a seamless dining experience for your customers.